Lot S138 is a 1972 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe with a 454 cubic inch V8 engine with 270 horsepower, a 4-speed transmission, and factory air conditioning. And it sold for $55,000 on Saturday, November 1st. And I'll read from the Mecum website. Odometer reads 2,819 miles. And the color is Elkhart green exterior with black interior. And the highlights are matching numbers LS5, 454, 270 horsepower V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, power windows, T-tops, rally wheels, and Firestone wide oval tires. And somebody had done a real nice restoration on this car, and it reflects it in the price. And the Elkhart green is pretty rare color for the 1972 model year. You don't see too many of them in the Elkhart green. So this one definitely brought a good price, and it was worth it. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.